Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the how to work with the animation using CapCut. You are already aware of that CapCut is a world-best video editing software. It's very simple to install and configure. It is less less weight. Okay, so that you will be able to go to the CapCut. You have to install the desktop version. That is must. Don't go and using with online. Okay, download for free, install it as a desktop form. After downloading, install that, you can have a icon on your desktop machine, CapCut. Click on it. Okay, you can click on it. Okay, this is the icon for the CapCut. Okay, so the CapCut. You open up the CapCut. This is the CapCut. Click create. You must click create button. Right. This now here I'm going to create the background. So I'm going to create the background which is a road background. So you have to click create. So the road background means that we have to do the simple animation for road. So road, here you will be able to get road cart. Okay, road cartoon. So here I'm going to go to the images. So I'm going to go to copy this whatever image. This image I'm going to copy this. I'm going to download this image. So this image I'm going to open and download it. So here now I'm going to save this image. Right click, save as background tree, like this. You have to save it. This image I have saved it. So I'm going to go to the another image, car, something like that, like cart. So whatever car cartoon ph. You can type the without the background. I need a transparent. So type the cartoon transparent background. You can write like this. Okay, so I need a transparent background. So I need that transparent background, something like that. One of the car I'm going to get it. This one I'm going to get this one. Open it. So this is the car. So let's copy this one. I'm going to make it as this, so whatever. Let's take this one. Copy this car. I'm going to bring into my Photoshop. I'm going to go to that background removal. Remove the white, and I want only the transparent. So select deselect. Right click, save as. You have to select as PNG and save car. Okay. So two images I done. So first I'm going to click import. First I'm going to go to open that background image which I saved. This one. Second one I'm going to get them as a this one. Import car. So two different images. First image I drag and drop it. Okay, so we will be able to see the properties window. On this car, drag and drop it here. car image is over here. This car, I'm going to scale it from here. Perfectly fit on the screen here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, car is position is here. It is coming here. You can see that position. Okay. So you click on the car photo. So car you can select like this. Here. It's starting from here. The starting position. Okay. Right. So the here what I'm going to see a position. There is a animation you can position. Okay, the window at the window option there is a position. Click on it. The keyframe has been added. Okay, at the first time the car is in this position here. The end of the animation I need to the car should be go here. So end of the animation you have to add the keyframe and car I need to coming to here. Okay, right? So like this goes. Now here you can see the animation is playing like this. So what to do is here when you run the video you can see the car is going. This how the animation is works. Okay, this car is going. Okay, this how that animation is works. Very simple animation. I have made it. Animation video I have made it. CapCut. Okay, this very simple animation I have made it at CapCut. Okay, this very simple animation. Okay, so after complete the animation, if we wish to export, click the export option. Here you have to select as a 50 frame fs is the best. Okay, after that you can select the resolution as 4K or 2K, whatever you wish. You can export it, right? So another important stuff, this is the things we have to do it. So another thing you have to do it, the keyframe. You can click on this one. Okay, this is the animations. Okay, so that animation you can see this the first frame keyframe. This is the end keyframe. Here click on this end keyframe. Here also Alt plus K. You can generate this option. Here also you have a different options are there. Click on this. Here also you can see that the animation is played like this. Cube easy. This is a good option. Here it's going like this. It's like a car. Here the easy to first time it's coming. It's simple. It's going like this. Here this one. It's simple. It's going. The animation is like this. You can see this is a fast. Easy to easy out. Okay. Easy in. There are different animation options are there. Whatever option you can use it based on the animation. So easy in is the best. I just click on it and activate it. Okay, that's the thing you have to. I'm going to activate at the easy in. That is perfect for this situation. So let's activate it. It will be activated. You can wait until the process has been completed. So after that, after activated, you can see the animations. Okay, so after activated, this one activated successfully. Again, you have what I'm doing. Control Alt K. Again, press it. With this window, you can this. Click on. Okay, now you need it. Okay, so you can uncheck it. Right. So that's the thing we have to do it. Right. So this is how we have do the animation. Here now we can see that animation. Simply go here. TC is here. This is the simple. It's first at the start. The car is coming slowly. After it is going fast. Here. This is how that animation is works. Okay, this is how we have to learn. Okay. So I hope this video is very helpful for learners to study CapCut animations. In my future video, I will be doing many kind of exercises regarding this. Thank you for watching.